Fuel is one of the biggest expenses that can reduce your Walmart Spark Driver profit because every delivery requires driving between pickup locations and customer addresses. By the end, you'll know how to calculate your Spark Driver gas costs, what information to track, and how to understand whether your delivery income is covering your vehicle expenses. The first step is tracking your mileage. Spark Driver work requires you to use your own vehicle, so the distance you drive directly affects how much fuel you use. A driver completing shorter delivery routes may spend less on fuel than someone covering longer distances. The second step is tracking your actual fuel purchases. Save your gas receipts or record every fuel purchase in a simple note or spreadsheet. Your personal fuel spending depends on your vehicle, fuel prices in your area, and how many miles you drive for deliveries. The third step is comparing fuel costs with your delivery earnings. The amount you receive for completed offers is only part of your business calculation. Your remaining profit depends on what you keep after expenses like gas and vehicle maintenance. Your vehicle type also affects fuel costs. A fuel-efficient car may use less fuel during delivery work, while a larger vehicle may require more fuel for the same amount of driving. The best way to understand your situation is to track your own results instead of relying on general estimates. Another factor is route planning. Combining nearby deliveries and avoiding unnecessary driving can help reduce wasted miles. Before starting your delivery day, review available offers and consider the distance involved. Keep a weekly record with 4 details: total delivery earnings, total miles driven, fuel purchased, and other vehicle expenses. This information shows your real cost per delivery day and helps you decide which work patterns make sense. Spark Driver gas costs are different for every driver because locations, vehicles, and driving habits are different. A driver using the app in one area may have completely different fuel expenses from another driver. The main points are simple. Track your miles, record your fuel spending, and compare your expenses against your earnings. Your app earnings do not show your complete profit until you include vehicle costs. Your next step is to start tracking your Spark Driver fuel expenses for your next delivery shifts. If this guide helped you understand Spark Driver gas costs, like the video and subscribe for more delivery driver guides.